Solana just packed a wild month, ETF headlines, a big usability push, and fresh progress on its high-performance roadmap. So what's really happening with SOL right now? And where could price go next? Let's break it down, clean and straight. Solana's trading around the high $180s to low $190s today with intraday prints near $192, after a steady multi-week climb from the mid $160s. That keeps SOL about a third below its January 2025 all-time high near $295, but clearly in the market's upper range for the year. The biggest headline this week is the spot Solana ETF saga. After a flurry of filings earlier this year, including Franklin Templeton's, US regulators have kicked the can again, extending the decision window into October 2025. Near term, that injects uncertainty and can spark volatility, but the very existence of institutional filings is a vote of confidence in SOL's long-term investability. On the tech side, two updates matter. First, actions and blinks are rolling through the ecosystem, basically turning on-chain interactions into shareable links that can live anywhere on the web. Instead of forcing users into a full dApp flow, a blink can pop a transaction preview right inside a wallet or even a social feed. It's a UX unlock aimed at mainstreaming crypto interactions across websites, apps, and bots. Second, Firedancer, the alternative validator client from Jump Crypto, continues to inch forward. It isn't fully live on mainnet yet, but developers say progress has been pretty impressive, and community reports keep pointing to major throughput targets in testing. The point of Firedancer is resiliency and speed. Multiple clients reduce single-client risk and push the ceiling on performance for DeFi, payments, and high-frequency apps. That larger performance narrative is why you keep seeing Solana versus Ethereum takes about fees and scalability. Solana's value prop remains low costs and high throughput, and with client diversity plus UX primitives like blinks. It's trying to convert raw speed into everyday usability. So how do these pieces translate into price scenarios? Near term, next 1 to 3 months, the ETF delay can cap breakouts, but dips may be bought if the network keeps posting sticky usage. A reasonable base channel is $170 to $210, with momentum pushes toward $225 to $235 if broader crypto tone stays constructive. Risk to this view: a risk-off macro week or another regulatory curveball could drag SOL back to the $155 to $165 support zone. This band reflects recent ranges and reactions around ETF headlines and summer liquidity. Medium term, 6 to 12 months, if Firedancer lands in production phases and actions are Blink's see real consumer-facing adoption, think wallets, social apps, commerce widgets, SOL has a credible shot to retest the January ATH near $295. A clean break there opens a $320 to $350 extension in a bullish crypto tape. Without those catalysts, chop between $180 to $260 is more likely as the market waits on hard usage metrics and the ETF decision. Long term, 2026 plus, the institutional track matters most. If a US spot ETF is eventually approved and Solana sustains its fast, cheap, simple moat for consumer crypto, a cycle top range of $400 to $500 isn't crazy in a broad bull market. If ETF paths stall or rivals close the UX gap, expect SOL to behave like a high beta L1, powerful rallies, equally sharp retraces, and heavy correlation to crypto risk.